welcome.
How does Thor get his room to smell this good? He's gotta have a candle hiding somewhere. You're not so scary, are you?
Thor?
Still not worthy.
Boy, Thor really knows how to decorate. Good, Hammer. Stay. There.
Cozy. One of these days.
Thor? Oh, guess he's not home. Where'd he get all this stuff? Not exactly home, but it'll do.
As always, I am the strongest Avenger.
They appear to be attacking the city! Keep rolling, keep rolling! Is it any coincidence that this attack comes on the very day that AIM is supposed to unveil their promising new Adaptoid program? Oh,